Guys, you need to see this. I think this video was sent to us.
Wait, are we seriously getting mentored by our future selves right now?
Okay. This is either weird or the coolest vlog idea ever.
Well, there's no backing out now. Let's document everything. Welcome to our Field Study 2 journey.
I am Philip Sikabik.
I am Samantha Eleanor Ierfe.
I'm Justin A. Santiago.
I am Lawrence A. Colesio.
I am Edsel Cabueños.
And I am Vigeni Bautista.
We are your third-year field study students from the Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Science.
We conducted our Field Study 2 at Bayambang National High School under the guidance of Ma'am Josefa L. Sabido.
In this course, we dive deeper into real classroom experiences and teaching practices.
We observe an actual class and analyze how teachers handle different situations.
We connected these experiences to the professional standards expected from educators.
And of course, we reflected on what these experiences mean for us as future educators.
So think of this vlog not just as a requirement, but as a glimpse into our future.
Module 1 is all about lifelong learning. Our first module focused on the idea that teaching is a continuous journey of growth. It introduced us to learning action cell and classroom-based action research as ways teachers reflect, collaborate, and improve their practices. These align with PPST Domain 7, which emphasizes continuous professional development, reflective practice, and commitment of teachers to lifelong learning.
This module highlighted the importance of creating a classroom that is both physically and psychologically safe. It showed us that learning happens best when students feel secured, respected, and supported.
These reflect PPST Domain 2, where teachers are expected to create safe, inclusive, and motivating environments that support learners' well-being and participation.
Module 3 focuses on diversity of learners. In this module, we explore the reality that every learner is unique. It emphasizes the importance of understanding students' background, abilities, and learning differences to create inclusive instruction.
This connects to PPST Domain 3, which focuses on how teachers recognizes and respond to learner diversity through differentiated and inclusive teaching practices.
Module 4 is connected to curriculum and planning. It focuses on how teachers align competencies, content, and instruction. It helps us understand how MELCs, budget of work, and lesson planning guide effective teaching.
These reflect PPST Domain 4, which emphasizes the importance of well-structured and aligned lesson planning to ensure meaningful and coherent learning experiences.
Module 5 focuses on content knowledge and pedagogy. This module emphasizes that effective teaching requires both a strong content knowledge and appropriate teaching strategies. It showed us how teachers transform knowledge into meaningful learning experiences.
These align with PPST Domain 1, where the teachers are expected to demonstrate deep understanding of content and apply effective pedagogical approaches to support student learning.
Module 6 focuses on assessment and reporting. In this module, we learned that assessment is not just about giving grades, but understanding student progress. It focuses on gathering, interpreting, and reporting data to support student development.
These reflect PPST Domain 5, which emphasizes the use of fair, accurate, and meaningful assessment practices to monitor learning and guide instruction.
Module 7 is connected to community engagement. It highlighted the role of teachers beyond the classroom. It emphasized building strong partnerships with parents, stakeholders, and the community to support learner development.
These align with PPST Domain 6, which focuses on professional engagement and collaboration with stakeholders to enhance the teaching and learning process.
After everything you've seen, ask yourself again, what kind of teacher are you becoming?
If I reflect on that question, I realize that the kind of teacher I want to become is someone who goes beyond simply explaining the lesson. I want to be someone who helps shape how students see themselves and their future. Because teaching is not limited to academics. It is about influencing the direction of a learner's life in a meaningful ways.
This experience has taught me that becoming a teacher means being the kind of person who continues to believe in students even when they struggle. I've seen how much impact it makes when someone patiently guides and supports learners. And I want to be that steady presence who encourages them to keep going despite challenges.
After this experience, I realized that I want to become a teacher who helps students grow, not just intellectually, but personally. It's about helping them build confidence, values, and a sense of purpose that they can carry beyond the classroom.
I see myself becoming a teacher who treats this profession as more than just a job. I want to approach it with a sense of purpose, knowing that every lesson, every interaction has the potential to create a lasting impact on a student's life.
As I reflect, I understand that becoming a teacher also means committing to continuous growth. I want to carry this journey with dedication, always improving myself so I can give my best to my future students and truly make a difference in their learning experience.
I am preparing to take on a responsibility that requires integrity, dedication, and a purpose. And I am choosing to carry that responsibility with commitment, knowing that the role of a teacher can shape lives in ways that truly matters.
Then keep going. You are all on the right path.
Teachers play a powerful role in shaping not just individual students, but the direction of the society itself. In every lesson they teach, and every values they share, contributes to the kind of future we are building together.
That is why educators deserve genuine respect and appreciation. Behind every classroom session is effort, patience, and commitment that often goes unnoticed, yet continues to change lives every single day.
Being a teacher means committing to constant growth, learning, adapting, and improving not just for oneself, but for the students who depends on guidance.
It is a profession that calls for dedication and professionalism, where passion must remain strong even in the face of challenges.
And as future educators, we are choosing this path because we believe in its purpose, because we want to be part of something that truly makes a difference.
We are stepping into a role that requires not only knowledge but heart, responsibility, and a commitment to serve others through education.
If you've all reached this point, you are all ready. Persevere and move forward with passion, determination, and compassion. What you're all doing now is shaping who you will all become, not just as students, but as future educators. This is just the beginning of your journey as the teachers of tomorrow. See you in the future.
Not just as a requirement, but just as
In this course, we will dive deep.
Focus on how teachers align
and reporting. In this module, we learned that
Abilities and learning differences to create an inclusive instruction.
Emphasize that effective teaching requires both
Hanggang saan? Baba. Baba. Saan? Saan ba?
It is a profession that calls for passion and mali.
Being a teacher means committing to
That is why educators deserve genuine respect and appreciation. Behind every... I think this video was sent to us.